Hi guys, my name is Cameron Blakeman and this is my Module 6 reflection video. Number 1 asked, what were your thoughts after going through Units 3 and 4 from the Google Fundamental Training? I actually really enjoyed it. I learned a lot more about Google and what it had to offer. I already knew like some stuff like how to use Google Slides and Google Sheets and Word, like the Google Doc. So I knew some, but I didn't know there was like Google Forms where you can create surveys and stuff. So that was kind of neat to learn about and stuff like that. So I learned how to use the different Google sites for different situations, and that was kind of cool in the training where it asked Mr. So-and-so is in this situation, what Google form would help him the best. So that was kind of neat to learn exactly what kind of forms will help you in different situations as a teacher. Second question, are the Google Educator certifications some things you would consider completing in the future? And do you think that having the certification would make you more marketable as a future job applicant? I think so. After completing Units 3 and 4, I kind of wanted to do all the training just because it broadens my knowledge on how to use Google Forms and all that other stuff. And I think having the sort of certifications would make you a better applicant in the future as an educator. So I think having the Google training would only make you better and a better applicant. Question number 2, describe your experience working with Google Slides, spreadsheet, and our presentation document. What are the advantages and disadvantages of the Google apps as compared to Microsoft Word, Excel, and or PowerPoint? I actually enjoy working with Google Slide and spreadsheet and like Google PowerPoint a lot better just because it saves automatically and you don't have to worry about stressing and having like Word shut down, because that always happens to me. Like I'll be typing in a Word document and all of a sudden it just erases everything. So I always type my stuff in Google Docs and then transfer it over to Word and upload it that way. And I also use Google Spreadsheets in a lot of my classes, and I'm currently using it for a coaching position. So I'm a head cheer coach and I have all the girls' information in there, and it's a lot easier to share with my assistant coaches and all that stuff. So I really enjoy working with it, and you can also collaborate with it. And I used Google PowerPoint in another class last semester, and all of us group members were able to work on it at the same time and input all of ideas, and it was just a lot easier to do. So those are basically the advantages of using the Google apps, that you can collaborate and share, and you don't have to have all these other documents, and it's just easy to use. But some disadvantages I noticed in like Excel or PowerPoint, even Microsoft or the Google Docs, like you can't do a lot of the stuff that you could in per se PowerPoint or Microsoft Word. So I mean, there's some advantages to it, but overall I really enjoy using the Google apps. So this is my Module 6 reflection over Google.